Welcome to Hidden Horizon, your go-to channel for uncovering the hidden truths behind popular topics. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of intermittent fasting. We'll explore different methods, benefits, demerits, and even provide you with some meal plans. Let's get started. Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It's been practiced for centuries, even dating back to ancient human civilizations where food scarcity led to natural periods of fasting. But what does modern science say? There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting. Let's break them down. 1. The 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. Typically, people skip breakfast and eat from noon to 8 p.m. According to a study published in the journal Cell Metabolism, this method helps regulate blood sugar levels and may support weight loss. 2. The 5-2 diet. Here you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories for the remaining 2 days. Dr. Michael Mosley, who popularized this method, claims it improves longevity and brain health. 3. Eat, stop, eat. This involves fasting for 24 hours, once or twice a week. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggests that 24-hour fasts can boost metabolism and promote fat loss. 4. Alternate day fasting. You alternate between normal eating days and fasting days. A study in obesity research and clinical practice found that alternate day fasting can lead to significant weight loss and improved heart health. 5. The warrior diet. Eat small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and one large meal at night. This method is inspired by ancient warrior cultures who ate sparsely during the day and feasted at night. So, why do people practice intermittent fasting? Let's look at the benefits backed by science. First, weight loss. Studies, including one from the Journal of Translational Medicine, show that intermittent fasting can help reduce body fat and preserve muscle mass. Second, improved metabolic health. Dr. Jason Fung, a nephrologist, explains that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Third, enhance brain function. A review in Frontiers in Molecular Neuroscience indicates that intermittent fasting may boost brain function and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. And finally, longevity. Research in Nature Communications shows that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan in animals, and ongoing studies are investigating its effects on humans. However, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone and can have its drawbacks. Let's explore some potential demerits. First, hunger and cravings. Nutritionist Dr. Krista Varadi mentions that some people may experience intense hunger, making it difficult to stick to fasting periods. Second, nutrient deficiency. According to a study in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, improper planning can lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if you're skipping meals regularly. Third, it's not suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or pregnant and breastfeeding women, should consult with healthcare providers before starting intermittent fasting. And lastly, the potential for overeating. There's a risk of overeating during eating windows, which can counteract the benefits of fasting. Now, let's look at some meal plans to help you get started with intermittent fasting. We'll focus on the 16-8 method for simplicity. Meal plan for the 16-8 method, eating window 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. At 12 p.m., lunch, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, and a vinaigrette dressing. At 3 p.m., a snack Greek yogurt with berries and a handful of almonds. At 6 p.m., dinner baked salmon, quinoa, and steamed broccoli. At 7:30 p.m., another snack, a piece of dark chocolate and a cup of herbal tea. Remember to stay hydrated throughout the day. Drink plenty of water and feel free to have black coffee or tea during fasting periods. Intermittent fasting offers a unique approach to eating that can provide numerous health benefits if done correctly. However, it's crucial to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen. We hope you found these insights helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to Hidden Horizon for more deep dives into intriguing topics. And let us know in the comments below what other topics you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Hidden Horizon.